Is Coursera the best way to learn AI in 2026? If you're looking for a platform that combines beginner-friendly courses, industry-recognized certificates, and learning from top AI experts, the answer is yes for many learners. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, there's a discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. It's currently one of the best ways to access thousands of AI courses while saving money. One of Coursera's biggest strengths is the quality of its instructors. You can learn from experts like Andrew Ng, along with courses created by Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, Stanford, DeepLearning.AI, and many other leading universities and companies. Whether you're a complete beginner or already have programming experience, there's a learning path for you. Beginners can start with AI for everyone to understand the fundamentals of artificial intelligence. From there, the Machine Learning Specialization teaches Python, machine learning, TensorFlow, and practical AI skills. If you're ready for more advanced topics, the Deep Learning Specialization takes you even further. Coursera also offers professional certificates, hands-on projects, and guided learning paths that focus on real-world skills. Instead of just watching videos, you'll build practical experience that you can apply in your career. Another major advantage is flexibility. You can learn at your own pace, earn shareable certificates, and choose from more than 10,000 eligible courses across AI, data science, cybersecurity, software development, and many other in-demand fields. If you plan to take multiple courses, Coursera Plus is usually the smartest option. Buying courses individually can become expensive over time. With Coursera Plus, you get access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, and hands-on projects under one subscription. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is available with a limited-time 40% discount. That brings the price down to just $239 for the entire year, making it an excellent value if you're serious about learning AI. So, is Coursera the best way to learn AI in 2026? For most learners, absolutely. It combines trusted instructors, high-quality content, flexible learning, and recognized credentials in one platform. If you're ready to start your AI journey, check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the current offer ends.